a middle class option for people to be able to reach out and get some affordable legal advice. Where I think most people are really scared to try and get it.
Because they don't know how much it's going to cost. Like,
right. Or they assume it's going to cost a lot. And they have some reason to assume that because it can, right? It can. And if you seek it out in an ineffective way, it can be very expensive.
And there's a huge gap. Like I think you were alluding to, Vito, like there's the people, the haves, right, that can afford it and they know it and they're smart about it and they have all these access to resources. And then there's the ones that are, below broke and they're going to get, a public defender in case it's a criminal charge and they're going to get some public assistance for other things. But it's everybody else in between, right, that needs information like what you're sharing on this podcast, needs, a legal shield plan, needs access to those things because it gets more and more complicated every single day. And quite frankly, with our civil liberties and our civil rights being chipped away a little bit every single day, people need access now more than ever. Sure. If you're enacting your First Amendment rights and protesting or something, you may need access to an attorney, and 24/7 too, we give access. And I could tell you, even Oprah Winfrey's not going to have an attorney that maybe she would, that would get up at 3 a.m. and answer a phone call. We have 24/7 access to attorneys in case of emergencies, arrested, detained, we're not sure what to do. It's pretty amazing.